Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about how to copy Excel formats. So the data that I'll be working with today is a student's performance sheet. So here is the gender, the test preparation course, the math score, reading score, writing score. And then here are the top scores of the reading and writing. So to get started, I am going to go into the Home tab and I will be formatting gender. So I want to make this into the header, so I will maybe fill this in, maybe purple, and then I will change the font color to a white, and then I will make it bold and I'll underline it. So that's the format that I want for the headers. Now if I don't want to keep doing this for everyone, how I can copy this format to the other cells is I will copy this gender cell and then I will go to wherever I want to make it the same format. So maybe I want to do math score. I'll just click on this cell and I will go into paste. So once I've copied this, I will go to paste, and where it has this little drop down, I'll click on that and I'll go right down to where it says paste special. So I'll just click on paste special and it will pop up with this box. Now from here there are many things that you can do. You can do formulas, values, and many other different things, as you can see, but I will go on formats. Just formats, don't click anything else, just formats, and press OK. And there you go. It has kept the same writing in it, but it's just changed the format. Now, another way you can do this is, so you can just copy this again, and then I'll try it on another cell now. You can just press Control, Alt, and V together, and it will automatically pop this box up. So I'll just go under Formats, press OK. And that was just a little shortcut. Now, another easy way you can do this is with the Format Painter. So I will select the cell. You can choose any cell now, so I can even do the math score one. And then I will go into the Format Painter, which is just this little paint button next to the paste. So I'll just click on that. And notice how my cursor has changed to a paint sign. So I can just use this on this, and there you go. Now you can also use Format Painter on multiple different cells. And to do that, you just need to select what you want, and then you double click on this. And it will give you more than one, and you can just keep on clicking wherever you want. I'm just going to undo those. You can even do this with a whole range. Double click on that and then select the whole range and it will do it all for you. Now something else that the Format Painter can do is copy the format of a whole range. So over here, if I want my top scores to be in a different color, for example, maybe like a light yellow, and I want to fill in all borders, and then for these two, this one I'm going to, do maybe a dark blue, and this one I'll do a dark blue again and white, and then these ones I will make them a different color. Oops. Maybe you like a green, and I'll give them the same border. Also, I will copy those. Select those, and then I'll make a border for that too. So now, if I want to select this exact same formatting and put it into here, all I need to do is select this whole thing and click on the Format Painter button, and then select this whole little table that I made, and it formats it all for you. So now you have perfect little tables for the top writing scores and the top reading scores. And that's all I have for today. I hope you took something away from this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.